Hola and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea. Today I have Valentine's DIY and more. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I hope you enjoy it. Starting with this DIY, I have this canvas that I've had for a long time. It is a picture that I did not like anymore. So I'm coming in with white chalk paint and I'm giving it several coats of it. Coming in with this Elmer's glue, I'm going to water it down and mix it well. Once I am done with that, I'm coming in with this metallic foil paper that I bought at Amazon. It has 3 colors: gold, silver, and rose. I'll start brushing in the glue and then I'll start putting that foil paper wherever I think it looks nice. Just remember that the design is to your taste. The sky is the limit. I also have some leftover and I am gonna also use this as well. I also went to the corner like you see here, and I'm starting with the silver. I hope you enjoy this transformation. I will be painting these hearts with this acrylic red paint. I'll be painting these red hearts with this darker red acrylic paint. And then later on with this beautiful 4 hearts that I bought at Dollar Tree, I'm going to be detaching them. Once they are detached, I'm coming in with this white chalk paint and I'll be painting the heart. And then later on, I will be painting each word with this red acrylic paint. Now that everything is completely dry, let's go ahead and start assembling the garland with this cotton twine and this chunky yarn. I hope you enjoy it. I have this lantern for many years now. I am going to go ahead and put this beautiful lace ribbon from Dollar Tree, and look at how beautiful it looks. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and take this candle from Dollar Tree and this thick ribbon from Amazon, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hot glue it around the candle. Something really nice and simple. This is a battery operated, and then this candle holder, I went and I wrapped it around some chew twine. I'm gluing it in place, putting it inside here, and that is all. I hope you enjoy it. And I'm gonna give this second lantern a farm look, taking some thick twine and wrapping it all around this handle up here. And once that is completely wrapped, I'm coming in with the same ribbon that I used on the first lantern, and I'm gonna wrap it right on top of here. and taking another candle and doing the same process as I did to the first one. And those candle holders I've had for a while now. And just remember, you could always repurpose items that you already have. I hope you enjoy it. I have these 2 glass jars that my daughter gave me, and I'm going to be repurposing this candle holder that's already wrapped in jute twine. I've had several of them that I am repurposing, and she also gave me 4 of these beautiful ribbons. I am loving it, and these are the ribbons that I've been using through the whole video. I'm going to wrap it just like you see here. I'm going to do the same process to both jars. And I have these little hearts that came from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using 4 of them. And I'm going to come back with some shoe polish in brown, and I'm going to distress 2 of them. And with some more jute twine, I made it look like it has a necklace with the 2 hearts, one on top of the other. I'll be doing the same thing to the next jar. And as you see here, I'm repurposing more of these candle holders. I hope you enjoy this video and stick around. There's several more DIYs to come. I hope you enjoy this one. Next DIY, I have this plate from Dollar Tree that I will be painting with this white chalk paint. Using more jute twine, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue it all around this plate. I'm going to be using this love sign or word, and I'm going to distress it again with shoe polish. I'm going to distress it, and once it is completely distressed, later on I'm coming back with a Sharpie, but for now I'm going to go ahead and take this heart made out of vines, and I'm going to glue it in the middle of the beautiful plate that we just painted in white. As you see, I'm taking advantage of this beautiful lace ribbon, and I'm going to use some of this raffia, and I will be gluing another little bow on top. I hope you enjoy this gorgeous DIY. These 3 picture frames from Dollar Tree. I bought these before the price increase, along with these laser cut words. And these beautiful hearts, also from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna give it 3 coats of this white chalk paint. And coming back with these beautiful hearts, I'm gonna go and take my shoe polish in brown and I'm going to distress all 4 of them. I love distressing with this because it's odorless. And coming back to these laser cut words, I'm gonna go and paint it with white chalk paint, and later on I will come back with my shoe polish and distress it, just like you see. I bought this bag of acrylic shapes from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take the one that looks like a kiss, and I am going to hot glue it to the word love. And now I have these beautiful hearts that you see here, also from Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to start assembling all the picture frames. I'm going to glue every single one of these hearts to the frame, and then I'm going to take the laser cut words and I'm going to put them above each of the hearts. And then once that is done, the smaller hearts that I just show you that they're in red and pink, I'm going to be putting them in the bottom part of each of the bigger heart, just like you see. I hope you're enjoying this video. And I am also going to take some jewel twine and make a little bow and put them on each of the heart right here on the top. Once this is all done, I purchased this beautiful ribbon from Amazon. I'm going to turn these pictures around, and with this ribbon, I'm going to attach all 3 frames together and make it look like it's all one piece. Let me know which of these DIYs was your favorite today. If this is your first time stopping by, go to the comment section and introduce yourself and let me know from what part of the world you are watching me. Please stay safe. And again, I hope that you consider subscribing so like that you could be part of my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Adios!